when you did your appointment online, you put in that there was no previous keepers.
Yeah.
So obviously we've had to change it to 5 plus. You got no service history at all. I'll do that in a minute. The internet around here is shocking.
UK, really long. Alright, just looking on here now, you've got 20 past 3 appointment that was booked on. So it's C at the beat there. It says it was confirmed. Just a bit confused with the customers now. Next one's 20 past 4, isn't it? You're look at 20 past 3. Don't know, doesn't say. It's been reported, has it? Okay, that's fine. Okay. Right, no worries. Alright, I'm just wondering if that was the name or not. Oh, Jerry said that. Yeah, alright. We need. Yeah. What have you got? I'm going to get left hand search. Yeah. No, sure, we'll go to this, haven't you? So, yeah, 20 past 5 o'clock. Yeah. So, alright. Right, just need to do everything we can together, alright? Alright, good man. Alright, see you later. Ciao, mate.
Paul,
Yeah.
this car I've just HBI'd it.
Yeah.
It's coming up as clear. But then our system was saying that it's being recorded as salvage. I've never seen it come up like that before. But then if you go down here, it doesn't highlight any of the boxes. So I don't know what to do with this.
In compliance. In compliance with it. Is it a salvage car, is it? Has it been salvaged?
No, it's see on the HPI, yeah.
Yeah.
It's all clear.
Yeah. You just check because the system's saying something on it, so.
No.
The system picks everything up you see, so yeah, we'll just check it out for you so we can get the correct price, alright mate?
It could be an undeclared one, couldn't it?
Say that again, mate.
It could be an undeclared one. If you just got hold of me.
It's been repaired, has it?
Hi, I've got a car in at the moment. I'm going through it. I've got HBI training, so I've just HBI'd it as well, and it's coming up as clear. but on our system it says that the vehicle recorded as salvage, but doesn't highlight any of the boxes. So when it says is this an insurance write-off or whatever. Right. So is this like a undeclared one? So it's Kilo Romeo 09
PDX.
Papa Delta X-ray. Right. Yeah. So I just put it in as that, yeah. How do I do that? On the appointment details. Yeah, he's in front of me. What's through now? No, that's brilliant, thank you. What was your starting price today? What was your starting at the
1.2.
It was a Cat S.
Was Cat S?
This car.
It is Cat S. In salvage?
Yeah, at some point, yeah. Just undeclared. So it just means it's been in an accident but repaired. Yeah. Can I just have that V5 again, please? Can you come and just open your bonnet for me, please?
This here.
There.
Just look at this.
You just turn it on for me.
It's so Fiji.
You got 2 keys?
Yeah. The
So, looking. No, there's not.
I don't think so. I don't think so. We look how we works.
You haven't got them on anyway, you're all good.
Oh?
Yeah, they're not on anyway.
Okay.
Yeah. Somebody's taking them off, it's okay.
So.
Spare tyre, replacement kits. Lovely. You can shut that out.
All right.
Here.
Yeah.
This is where you were hit. So look. That takes you up to that blue mark. Here. So it measures paint thickness. So this part here has been done in the past. So somebody has crashed into you here and they've repaired it. Okay?
Yeah.
Which is probably what this is as well, to be fair. Oh. You've also got an airbag light on as well, yeah?
Yeah. Huh? Airbag light on.
Yeah.
Meaning.
So it's on the dashboard. So it's on. The airbags are not working properly.
I don't know about that.
Do you want me to show you?
Damn.
Jump in, just turn it on. See the bottom right? That red sign?
Yeah.
That's your airbag. So it says the restraints malfunction. So if you had a crash, your airbags might not work.
Oh. Shit. But I think that's with the company. They were recalling the cars, but I've not yet gone back to meet them.
So let's jump inside. So you got your airbag light and you've got the condition on the vehicle as well. I just showed you before where something might have happened in the past. So I just need a signature off you. You are not signing the car away just yet.
Okay.
I think just walked away. So on the car itself, like I said, you've got a bit of condition on the vehicle.
Yeah.
To grade the airbag light. We've had to change it from no previous keepers to 5 plus.
Yeah, we've got appointments.
No problem at all, mate. Just finish up with this guy now, and then
It's that one there.
Obviously we've had to put it to a Cat S now.
All the bits
Okay?
What's
So
that?
structurally damaged in a crash means that it's already been paid for out of the insurance before. So after everything, the price that Webuyanycar had offered for the vehicle itself, £340.
Damn. Jesus. Oh my God, wow. 104. Oh,
Yeah.
shit. No. I can't sell it.
It's because it's been in a crash before.
I didn't even know about that.
No.
I didn't know. But if it's been in a crash before, it has been repaired.
Yeah, so
How is that affecting the price?
because it's a mark against the car. So we sell at auction, so they're less desirable at auction. They're still a roadworthy car, but
Otherwise, the payment goes on hold, so we have to check that it is your company and it is you selling it basically.
That is too low.
Yeah, you get to look at
sorry about that.
Jesus.
They didn't want me to offer you £50.
We get one book in, we'll sort it. You don't need to book my phone.
No problem. Sorry.
No problem.
Yeah, you can get to look.
Is it?
Say 140. 140, yeah. Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
So,
Yeah, that's crazy.
We've got a job right next door. Yeah. Yeah, we'll be able to
Fine.
buy now. Whenever we've got lots of that thing. So, yeah, we can do that. You don't need to book my phone. Just go in.
A little bit busy now. Hmm?
Hello guys, it's very fine, wow.
They are telling me now that it has been in an accident before or something.
Okay,
And I didn't know.
okay. So because of that idea,
The cost just went down.
£140.
140 there.
I'll buy it today and give you.
Do you know anybody that wants to do like Uber or something?
Yeah. I don't
So that they
know.
can use the car
Yeah.
and drive it out first.
Because if somebody can do it by
Yeah,
to
just take
help.
the car, start selling it. I can't sell it for 140. I bought it for a
140.
lot of money.
Benz fine car like this. Even this car, rickety car, this. They said 497. I thought it was 1,000.
It was 1,000 guys. What I came here.
No, I don't know.
How we doing? So, are you ready or no?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Fair enough.
It's alright now. Let's see. Yeah.